Last week, we learned the basics of third hand play. This week, let's explore several nuances that fine tune our third hand play and give us better results. Partner leads the 2, dummy the 3. We want to keep our king over dummy's queen, but play a card high enough to force declarer to go higher. We need to be able to play a 9 or higher to push declarer. Here we have that 9, so play it. If our suit was king 8-4, we would have to go ahead and play the king. Lowest of equals still applies. Here we can play the 8 because it equals the 9. When dummy has an honor higher than anything we hold, treat it as if dummy had no honor at all. That means here we play our highest card, the queen. When we hold ace-king doubleton versus ace-king and longer, we need to be able to show the difference to partner. Just like with any doubleton, we play high, then low. If we are in a suit contract and partner gets on lead later, she can continue the suit and we might get a ruff. When holding ace-king and longer, like in the red example, play the king, lowest of equals, then the ace. That way, partner knows not to continue the suit because dummy's queen is now a winner and holding a small third card we can't ruff. Now let's look at examples where East has to think before choosing which card to play. West leads the queen from the queen-jack sequence against a suit contract. That partner led the queen means declarer has the ace for sure. We learned last week that holding a doubleton, we unblock by playing the king, even if it means our king and queen both fall to declarer's ace. This time, dummy holds the 10. If we unblock the king and king-queen fall to the ace, declarer gets a free finesse of the 10. To prevent that, don't unblock. Play the 3. Let declarer's ace take the queen. Our king stays over dummy's 10. Partner led the 2, and with only small cards in dummy, we played our ace, our highest card. Now, what do we return? The jack, top of the sequence. Partner didn't know we have a sequence. This is how we tell her. Partner leads the 5, her 4th best card. We remembered to do the rule of 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Dummy has 2 cards higher. I have 3, so declarer has only 1 card higher than the 5. If dummy plays the 4, we can play our 6 and drive out declarer's only higher card. So there's no need to play the ace or the jack. Let's say declarer ducks this first trick. That means my 6 won the trick. Which card do I return? Think. Partner led 4th best, so she has 3 cards left. I have ace-jack doubleton, but partner has 3 length, so return the top of my doubleton. Declarer will duck again and win the third trick, but having to play both king and queen on the same trick. More important, partner still has a winner left in the suit, so be on the lookout for a way to get back to her hand. There were about 3 different levels of lessons in this one example. Level 1, the novice level, only thinks about which card do I play third seat. Level 2 is what will I do if Declarer ducks the first trick. Level 3 is remembering partner has 4 length, so partner's last card is likely a winner. How do I get back to her hand? Partner leads the queen, top of the sequence. Dummy played her ace. Now it's even more important for me to unblock the king. If you mistakenly play the 2, you will win the second trick, and partner's promoted 3 winners will all die on the vine because you have no more cards left to lead back, and Declarer will never lead this suit again. Now let's do some level 2 thinking. Partner led the queen, promising Queen Jack in a suit contract, and Queen Jack 10 against no trump. If dummy plays the ace, we need to be asking, why didn't Declarer hold up? Does she have enough winners in other suits to make her contract? The contract is 6 clubs. West leads the spade king. Dummy plays the singleton jack. What will we play third hand? We need to recognize that to set this contract, we have to set up a heart winner. And the only way to do that is overtake partner's king with the ace and then return the heart king. Let's review some third hand play. Partner leads the 4, dummies 3. What do we play with each of these hands? First hand, play the jack. Keep our ace over dummy's queen. Second example, the 9 is high enough to flush out Declarer, allowing us to keep our ace over dummy's queen. Third hand. This one is a little tricky. The 7 is equal to the 9 with the 8 in dummy, so play the 7. Last example. The king and jack are equals with dummy's queen, so play the jack. The contract is 3 no trump. West leads the 4, dummies 3. Which card do we play third hand on the first example? With only small cards in dummy, our highest card, the ace. How about the second example? Same point. Small cards in dummy, play our highest card, the ace. How about the third example? Now we have equals, so play the jack, the lowest of equals. And the last example. With the 9 in dummy, the 10 and 8 are equals, so play the 8. We're still in 3-no trump. First example. With the 9 in dummy, the queen, jack, 10, 8 are all equals, so play the 8. Which card will we return now? First card, we played the bottom of equals. Now return the top of equals. This lets partner know we hold all the cards between the queen and the 8. Second example. Small cards in dummy, so win the ace and return the jack, top of our remaining doubleton. Last example. This one is a little unusual. Partner led what we think is her fourth best card. Therefore, declarer likely has a doubleton. Win the ace, then play the king, pick up declarer's doubleton, then lead the 7 back to partner. We are west in 3-no trump. We can see all of our cards and dummy. Declarer wins the queen here. Who holds the ace, the jack, and the 8? Declarer holds all 3 of those cards. With small cards in dummy, partner would play the ace if she had it. Same is true for the jack. And with the 9 and 8 being equals, partner would have played the 8. Still in 3-no trump, our 3, dummies 4, partners 10, declarers king. Who has the ace, the jack, and the 9? Small cards in dummy. If partner had the ace, she would have played it. So declarer has the ace. If declarer had the jack, she would have played it and saved the king for later. So partner has the jack, an equal to the 10. The 10 and the 9 are also equals. Partner would have played the 9 if she had it. She didn't, so declarer has the 9. Last example, still in 3-no trump. We lead the 3 to dummies 4, partners jack, declarers king. Who has the queen and the 10? Partner's play of the jack denies the 10, so declarer has that card. As for the queen, declarer could have both king and queen and be trying to fool us by playing the higher of equals, or partner might have the queen, which is an equal to the jack. We just can't tell this example.